Targus docking stations expand your laptop's connectivity, especially for multiple displays. First, identify the docking station's ports. Common ports include USB-C input from the laptop and HDMI or DisplayPort outputs for monitors. Plug the docking station's USB-C cable into your laptop. Ensure it supports 20 volts 5 amps or higher for full functionality. Next, connect your monitor to the dock using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable, depending on available ports. Power on your laptop. The dock should automatically detect the monitor. Finally, adjust display settings in your operating system to extend or mirror your screen. Use certified cables for optimal resolution. If issues arise, update your laptop's BIOS and install the latest drivers from Targus. If you encounter issues, ensure your laptop's BIOS is up to date and that you've installed the latest drivers from the Targus website. Driver conflicts with AMD GPUs can often be resolved with Targus's updated software suite. Stay aware of current trends. Targus is moving towards all-in-one USB-C hubs, emphasizing wireless connectivity and sustainability by using recycled materials. Expect AI-assisted auto-configuration in future models for easier multi-monitor setups. By 2027, anticipate Thunderbolt 6 integration for higher resolution displays and lower latency. Always prioritize models with the latest USB standards to future-proof your setup. Targus docking stations are generally reliable for multi-monitor setups, with high success rates for first-time connections, but be mindful of potential hardware mismatches, which can usually be resolved with Targus support.